Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry for NEET MDS. First, thoroughly understand the NEET MDS biochemistry syllabus. Identify high-yield topics such as metabolism, molecular biology, and clinical correlations. Select standard textbooks and reliable online resources. Create a structured study plan, allocating sufficient time for each section. Consistent revision is key to retaining complex information and concepts. Next, master the core concepts by focusing on metabolic pathways, their regulation, and clinical significance. Utilize flowcharts and diagrams to visualize complex biochemical processes, making them easier to understand and remember. Engage in active recall by quizzing yourself regularly and employ spaced repetition to reinforce learning over time. This approach helps solidify your understanding. Then, emphasize clinical correlation by linking biochemical concepts to real-world medical conditions and their diagnostic markers. Practice solving a significant number of previous years' NEET MDS questions to understand the exam pattern and question types. Critically analyze the explanations for both correct and incorrect answers to identify knowledge gaps and improve your problem-solving skills effectively. Finally, consistent revision is paramount. Regularly revisit all biochemistry topics, especially those you find challenging. Take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly review your performance to identify weak areas and focus your subsequent study efforts on strengthening those specific topics for optimal preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.